Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you 22 of my favorite Amazon products under $20. One of my favorite products on Amazon is this cell phone stand. Not only can you put your cell phone on it, you can also put an iPad. I love it because it's compact. You can fold it up, put it away in your desk. You can take it out, use it at your office. You could also use it in your kitchen. Maybe you like something to hold your phone while you're cooking. Another great use I thought for this would be putting it on your nightstand beside your bed. There's a place here where you can plug in your phone, which is super easy, super convenient. Amazon is the best for fun little inventions that you really never thought of. These are toothpaste squeezers. Now, what do you need these for? They come in a pack of 4, and what you do is you put them on your toothpaste and you leave them on there while you're using the toothpaste. Whenever you need more toothpaste, instead of every time having to squeeze it out, you just pull it down on your toothpaste and then you're able to use like every last drop of your toothpaste and you don't have to spend time every day squeezing all the toothpaste out. These are really affordable and you get 4 so you could give them to your whole family. I did a hacks video where I showed you guys the battery organization that I used, and you guys were not happy in the comments. You said, Liz, you're not supposed to put all of your batteries together. You need to separate them out. So I thought, you know what? I'm gonna get a new battery organizer. I found this one on Amazon and it is awesome. So what you do is you have this little flap that opens up, then you can store all of your batteries in here. So you can put your AAA, your AA, your bigger batteries down here. You can put specialty ones here. And it also has a volt tester as well. I got this one to give as a gift, but these are great for your house. It definitely keeps all of your batteries nice and organized. And the best part, they're separated. If you've not already purchased a planner, this Simple Elephant planner is a perfect option and it's under $20. Now, me and Delaney both really like this. It has some great features. One, it has this nice hard cover to it. The other great thing is it has sections where it's more than just a planner. It's almost a journal where you can focus in on whatever your goals are. I love that it doesn't have pre-planned numbers. You can put those in yourself. It has a month calendar view, and then it also divides things up weekly. And then my favorite part is in the back, there's a section for notes. It has a little area for a pin. It also has 2 different ribbons so you can mark your weekly section and your monthly section. This is one of my favorite planner options for the new year. Now, I know you guys have probably seen these different style of strainers before that you can use in your kitchen, but this one's a little bit different. This is actually called a snap and strain. It has what I call like little chip clips on it. So you put it onto the end of your pot. Then whenever you go to strain something, you can keep your hands back at a safe distance. Like you don't have to have your hand up here holding it. I just feel like it's a lot safer option for draining pasta or different things that you have to strain than using one of the ones that you have to hold on there. So I love this little kitchen gadget. Next up, you guys, is the pink stuff. This is an awesome cleaning paste. Now, one of the reasons I like it is because it's got 99% natural ingredients. You can also use it to clean so many different things. The main thing I like to use it for is cleaning my stovetop, but you can clean ceramic tiles, glass, showers, garden furniture, paintwork, boats, brass, rust. The list is endless with how many things you can clean with this. If you have the pink stuff, let me know what items in the comments you clean with this so that I can get some new ideas and we can share with everyone. One of the questions you guys asked me is, what glue gun should I use? And the one I always recommend is the SureBonder glue gun. One, it's affordable, it's under $20. The other thing I like about it is it has a lot of cool features. So you can put it on low or high heat setting. I always keep mine on low. It also has an auto shut off feature, which is so cool. And if you're ever worried if you left your glue gun on, this is a great option. If your glue gun's been on for longer than 30 minutes without use, it will automatically shut off so you don't have to worry about did you unplug your glue gun. Now, to go along with my glue gun, I have found the best glue sticks are these Gorilla Glue hot glue sticks. They're definitely a lot more stronger than normal glue sticks, and they're at a really affordable price. Now, if you love seeing Amazon product videos, make sure to give me a thumbs up so I know to do more like it in the future. Anytime I post a DIY video, I always list the supplies that I use down in the description box. The number one thing that you guys tend to buy is my macrame cord. I have found the most affordable option on Amazon. You get over 300 feet of macrame cord for under $20. Now, embarrassingly, I've gone through several of these because I DIY like crazy, but I love the quality of this and I use it in so many DIYs. If you like following along with my DIYs, this is a great macrame cord to have. So this year I finally figured out how to wear false lashes correctly, and the only way I did it was by using this particular pair. So these are called the Ardell accent lashes in the number 315. These are like half style lashes, and I love that because it makes it so much easier to put them on when you don't have to worry about getting like a whole strip on. Any day that I am filming, I will put on 2 coats of the Lash Princess. Then I follow it up by putting these Ardell lashes in the outer corner here. I'll just use a little bit of duo glue, and then I use a tweezer to put them on. They're so much easier to put on than regular lashes. So if you're somebody who's been intimidated by lashes, maybe tried other ones, like I have tried so many different lashes, these are the only ones that I'm able to get on my lashes and actually look good. My daughter Caroline has one of the coolest wall-mounted toothpaste dispensers in her room. Now hers is pink, but it does come in other colors. I got this on a whim, and honestly it has been in her room now for several months. And what you do is you put your toothpaste in upside down, and then you just take your toothbrush, push it in to dispense out any of the toothpaste. I love this because it avoids a lot of the mess around the sink. Her sink has been so much cleaner since we started using this. It's a great item to have in kids' bathrooms. So next I wanted to show you guys the microfiber hair towels that I use. Microfiber hair towels are great because it cuts down the drying time because it soaks up more of the moisture in your hair. Plus they're not super heavy, so if you're one of those people who keeps like a big towel on your head, this is a better option. They come in a pack of 2, they're super affordable, and I have found these to be the best quality. So if you ever wondered how to clean like your keyboard or the dash of your car and you just don't really know how to get them clean, this is a great product to try. This is called the Universal Dust Cleaning Gel, and this is really fun. If you guys have kids who play with slime, it's very similar to slime, but I would say a thicker consistency. But basically you can use this, put it into those areas, and it's gonna pick up any dust that you have and clean it right up. I think this is such a cool product. You could keep it in your car, keep it in your desk at work, and it's really affordable and gets the job done. If you're looking for some affordable makeup brushes at a really inexpensive price, you want to grab this bag. I mean, they're around $11, $12. They're super affordable, and you get 12 makeup brushes with it. Now, disregard this bag because it's not as cute, but inside there's so many different makeup brushes. They have these bamboo handles. They're all like tapered brushes. They're such good quality. I love these so much, and I cannot believe how affordable they are. Now, if you guys have ever watched Shark Tank, you may have seen this item. If not, I definitely want to show it to you because it's one of my favorite items. It's called the Drop Stop, and it's actually a product that's for your car. Now, when I first got these, I was really skeptical, but they work so well. So they're these little pieces of fabric that you actually put down over your seat belt in the front seat. And what it's meant to do is it's meant to fill up that gap between your front seat and your console. You know that gap where you just drop random things, food, pens, chargers, all kinds of things. You really don't have that problem with this product. It fills up that gap and it really prevents things from falling. With this product, you're gonna get 2 of them. Now, at first when I got them, I was afraid that they would pop up, but they stay in place so well and I don't have problems with them coming up. So this next item I know you guys are gonna love. It is a rechargeable LED light bulb. Now, why would you need something like this? Well, first of all, it comes in a pack of 2. I have a front table in my house that I wanted to put a lamp on, but there was no outlet underneath. So I'm like, how am I going to make use out of this light fixture? If you have a rechargeable LED light, it's really easy. What you do is you plug your light bulb into your lamp like you would normally. Then on the other end where the cord is, you're gonna plug your cord into this little white box. Then hide your cord. I put mine behind a picture that I had. Then you're able to turn your lamp on like normal. This is genius. Maybe you want to put some lamps behind your couch, but you don't have any outlets. This would be a great option as well. If you guys want to see more of our best-selling items, I actually go live once a week, sometimes twice, on Amazon Lives. It's a new thing Amazon is doing where I live stream some of my favorite products and I share my favorite DIY stuff, but I also share favorite home decor, kitchen items. I'm gonna put the link down in the description box. You can just click that link. It's gonna take you to my live streams, and if you hit the little X button on my live streams, you'll follow me, and then anytime I go live, you get a notification that says Liz is live. Do you want to come see her? Come check it out. One of my favorite things to buy on Amazon is water bottles. They have some of the best water bottles at the best prices. Now this one I love. It's an insulated water bottle. It's 25 ounces. It keeps things really cold, really hot. The other cool thing about it is it has 3 different lid styles. So it has this lid right here that comes with the straw option, but it also has one of these like screw top lids. If you're gonna be putting it in a backpack and you want it to be really secure, you could use that one. If you're drinking hot liquid, you can switch to this style lid as well. I love the versatility of this water bottle. It also comes in different colors. We used to have this problem around my house where we had things charging everywhere, things charging in the kitchen, bedroom, everywhere. So I found this product called a USB charging station. And what I love about it is you can charge up to 6 devices on this little charging portal. You just plug it into one plug and you're able to put laptops, iPads, phones, and it will charge all of it. And I love this. We keep it on one of our nightstands in our bedroom. That way all the devices get put there at night and we know where everything is and we're not searching around the house for devices. Next up, this silicone heat mat is perfect for all of your curling irons and hot irons. So what it is it's basically a mat that you can use to put your flat iron, curling iron on, and it's gonna protect whatever surface is underneath so you don't have to worry about burning things. Maybe you have a teenager who likes to put hot tools on a dresser. This is a great option to put underneath that. Now the other cool thing about this is it has a little opening here. So if you're traveling, going anywhere, and you just used your curling iron, you can put it into this silicone mat and then throw it in your bag and it's going to be protected. I love having this for travel or just around my house. So I have this problem that I am on Amazon all the time looking for new items to try. I found this set of wood earrings because I buy most of my earrings off of Amazon. They come in a pack of 6. They're really affordable, under $20, but they're all these different like wood style earrings. They come in so many different stains. They just are different. They're unique. They're not heavy at all if you're worried about them being really heavy. I mean, there are ones like these that I think are probably the heaviest, but I love these 6 different earrings. I feel like I'm gonna get so much use out of them. Let me know if you guys wanna see more jewelry earring options that I like from Amazon. So one of the kitchen items I've really been liking are these silicone baking mats. You actually get a set of 3. They're really affordable. I love that you get a smaller one in case you're just baking, you know, smaller items, and then you get 2 larger ones as well. They also have circles on them, which is great for whenever you're making cookies and need to evenly space them out. I found that when I was cooking with my daughters, this was really great for them to know where to put the cookies when they were making chocolate chip cookies. So if you guys ever watched one of my DIYs and thought, I wonder if Liz goes and gets her nails done. Well, I don't. I actually buy super inexpensive nails off of Amazon. And when I found these, I like really felt like I hit the jackpot because they're so inexpensive, but they work really well. This pack is usually between $12 and $13. You get a set of 8 nails. So you get 8 different sets of nails for that price. Like, that's so affordable. Now, what I love about this set of nails is they come in a matte finish. They also come in colors that I would wear every day. Like right now I'm wearing the black ones for like winter. I wouldn't normally wear such a dark color, but they're all matte and all colors that I would definitely wear. Now, the other thing about these nails is they're medium length, so you can cut them down if you want to. Like when I'm DIYing, I cannot have my nails super long, so I actually trim them down so they're not long. Now, if you're gonna get these nails, you need to get the nail glue to go with it. Now, this nail glue is so much better than those squeeze tubes because it actually comes out almost like a nail polish. You get a set of 4 for around $6 or $7, so you will have enough nail glue to last you forever. But this combination is what I do on my nails. A nail set typically lasts me about a week and a half. So about a week and a half, they kind of start popping off, and then I'll just take them all off. And to take them off, I literally just pull them off. I don't have to soak them or anything like that. And then I'll just put a new set on. So that's what I do for my nails. I post new videos on Mondays and Thursdays, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out. Now, if you've watched one of my Amazon videos before, you know that I love this product, and I've mentioned it before, but I'm gonna have to mention it again because I love it so much. That's the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. This is super affordable, usually priced at under $5. There's 3 different formulas. I like the one called False Lash Effect. I wear it on my eyes every single day, and it's amazing. I just do 2 coats. It gives me long lashes. The other thing I love about it is it doesn't transfer. If you're somebody who struggles with having mascara transfer on the top of of your eye here. This does not transfer at all, so I love it for that. I can put it on my top and bottom lashes, so this is a great option for mascara. Let me know in the comments, what Amazon product should I try next? I love knowing your opinion, and I'll talk to you guys in our next one.